very much looking forward to being on the playa. Today is muy, how do you say it? Calor.
Mucho calor.
Mucho calor.
Hay mucho calor.
Hay mucho calor este día y anoche es un poco frío.
There's no estadía. It's hoy.
Hoy, that's what I meant.
Estadía. Did you learn your Spanish from Kevin Hart?
No preocupado, okay? Don't worry about it.
No te preocupas.
That's, oh shit, now you're just showing off, baby girl. Now you're just showing off.
Sure no.
Right? Entonces, you show off.
Entonces. Casually walking through a bridge. La 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 la. 4 or 5 right there. Another one.
Welcome back to our Costa Rican road trip. Today we're heading from La Fortuna to the lively beach town of Jaco. But before we dive into today's adventure, here's a quick teaser of the full 7-day journey. Welcome to our 7-day Costa Rican road trip series. Over the next week, we'll take you on an adventure through stunning beaches, hidden hot springs, and vibrant local food spots you won't want to miss. Discover the best local eats, from delicious gallo pinto to fresh fruits by the coast. We're diving into Costa Rican culture, one bite at a time. We're soaking in natural hot springs, exploring hidden jungle gems, and finding breathtaking spots you won't see on just any travel vlog. And the wildlife? It's incredible. From sloths hanging out in the trees to whales and dolphins along the coastline, and even hermit crabs, Costa Rica is bursting with biodiversity. I've spent hours researching, talking with locals, navigating the scenic routes, and unearthing all the secrets to make this road trip truly unforgettable. So buckle up and get ready. Each episode is packed with tips and hidden spots to inspire your own Costa Rican adventure. Make sure to subscribe and follow along so you don't miss a single moment. Our day begins at Selina in La Fortuna, where I thought, why not capture a quick bachata dance with a drone? But little did I know, while we were shooting the drone video, that it would crash. It was a funny moment, but we were able to fix the radius of the drone circling around us, and we were able to resume our dance. What a great memory and piece of art we were able to create together. It was the perfect way to start off the morning before we dove in to a great fresh fruit breakfast. If you want to watch the full version of this bachata dance, you'll find it on my channel under the bachata playlist, along with some other great dances. Today, we're on the hunt for authentic Costa Rican flavors and some incredible sights along the way. Alright guys, on today's edition, we're going to be brave or stupid, and we're going to rent this scooter for $0. Rent a cooler, not as this, don't cry, this is only for exhibition, sorry. Actually, I'm happy about that, because someone's going to get killed on this. Most people drive straight from La Fortuna to Jaco, but we're taking the scenic route. I'm determined to uncover all the hidden stops that make the journey memorable. Can we find the best roadside fruit, discover local sodas, and of course, see the crocodiles? We kick things off with a final visit to the local fruit markets.
Another one.
Buenas. Let's go to the other one. Gracias.
We're gonna make tequila.
Tequila, yes. Chinos. Guess where we are, guys? We were here last night, and we're here back for more jugo. This one, oh my god.
Let's get cheap.
2, 1 for me and 2 for me. Go for it, grab one. And you want the coconut too, pipa? We've had so much pipa, we've lost count. but every time it's delicious.
Can we keep that for you?
Magical mixer. Sherry dressed up just to be color coordinated with the lady that works here. There we go. Want me to find a spoon?
Yeah.
Find a spoon. Baby girl knows how to scoop it out. Ooh.
So good. These are the best, dude.
I wish they had this fresh in Canada.
I know.
I'd have it every day. So good.
Super golden. Look, we're 3 in line.
To be devoured.
Which side is this?
Uh,
Salida.
it tells you on this. Doesn't tell you?
Oh, this side. Diesel. Very good. Oh shit, it's one way, but.
The drive to Jaco was absolutely stunning, with bridges and rivers, beautiful scenery all along the way. And as usual, we stocked up on some mamón chinos along the way. These roadside markets are perfect for quick, tasty finds that you don't get back at home. Back on the road, we spotted a friendly moth hanging out near one of our stops. Gotta love all the wildlife you see here.
Oh, it's pretty.
Bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Pura vida. The remainder of the drive to Jaco was full of twists and turns, but the views kept taking our breath away. We had to be mindful, however, because the speed limit kept changing. So be very careful, because one moment it can be 80 and the next moment it can be 40 or 25 depending on the area. Then we made a quick detour at a local soda for some traditional Costa Rican food. The flavors here are so unique and it's all super affordable.
Chan, aquí. Gracias. How many soda do we have? How many soda can we have in one trip?
These are the sodas that are actually good for you, right?
I know, they're local. Okay, try it. I'm just gonna take a video of this. We have so many options. We're cooking at the back.
Bien, bien. Mucho bien. ¿No escuela? ¿Estaría?
No?
Oh, mucho sueño. Demasiado. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Alright guys, we just finished eating at a soda here in San Ramon. We're on our way now to Jaco or Jaco, I don't know how you call it, Jaco, Costa Rica, along the coastline, and very much looking forward to being on the playa. Today is muy, how do you say it? Calor.
Mucho calor.
Mucho calor.
Hay mucho calor.
Hay mucho calor este día y anoche es un poco frío.
There's no estadía, baby. It's hoy.
Boy, that's what I meant.
Este día. Did you learn your Spanish from Kevin Hart?
No preocupado, okay? Don't worry about it.
No te preocupas.
That's oh shit. Now you're just showing off, baby girl. Now you're just showing off. All right. Entonces, you show off. Entonces. We had such a great time on this road trip, just listening to music and telling jokes and taking in the breathtaking views. Now we're on our way to the Crocodile Bridge. Super exciting. All right, boys and girls, check out the uniforms here. Canada and US, take note. I'm not talking about the guys, I'm talking about the girls. Let her come over here, but she's hiding. She's like, super. Look at that. New uniform, boys and girls. It's coming to Canada. Look out for it. It's for like reggaeton music videos and gas stations only. One of the highlights today was stopping at the Crocodile Bridge. We saw so many massive crocodiles lounging by the riverbanks. Definitely a surreal experience. If you're in Costa Rica, this is one roadside stop you don't want to miss. See him eat something.
You can throw yourself at it. Throw yourself at it. So they eat something.
Finally, we arrived in Jaco, where a friendly pup greeted us. After settling in, we headed to the famous black sand beach. That cat is just chilling. All right, let's go. The contrast of the dark sand against the blue waves is breathtaking, and we had the beach almost entirely to ourselves. We wrapped up our day exploring the streets of Jaco, sampling fresh smoothies and indulging in empanadas. Costa Rica keeps surprising us with its local treats and laid-back vibes. She's gonna give you more. Give me.
No ahora. Después.
Moment of truth. See if these are any good empanadas from Argentina. Not bad. Not like the one in Mexico at all, but different.
I don't think I would ever find it.
I'm excited to see what tomorrow brings as we continue our journey. If you're loving this Costa Rican adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite moment, and subscribe for more road trip experiences. And if you missed day 1 or 2, be sure to catch up. We've got a lot more hidden gems coming up tomorrow. Pura vida!